Hello friends, in this video we are going to make a contact form or simple HTML form to submit the data from the front end. So see how we can submit a form from the front end and see how the process is going on. Okay, so let's start with it. So for creating a contact form, what we do, what we need to require. First we need the controller, then second model for the database structure. Then we have the migrations, then we have the view, then we have the mail to send the contact us from the mail, and this is the process that we are going to build. Okay, so first of all we are going to create a model. So I'm going to create a migrate. First of all, going to create a migration. So let's run this command. I'm going to open a folder, and we are going to make it on breeze. Let's go to the breeze model. Run this command. It will generate the migration. So let's go to the migration file. Where it should locate? It should be located in the database migrations. And which migrations we are creating? Contacts.php. Open this file. By default, it is written the table ID and table stamps. Let's write our uh, like icon tables. You can say contactors, message, name, email that we should require. Okay, so I'm going to add the name, email, phone, subject, message. So these things we are going to add. And after that, we have added. So this is done. The migrations file. Let's move to the models. We are going to create the models. Go to the app models contact.php. Go to the app model structure. Then here we need to go create the model. This is already created. Let's paste the code. Name, email, phone, subject, and message. So this is the model class. Okay. Let's move to the next command. Let's run this command to generate the tables. That is in migrate, it will generate the table contactors table. Okay. So the next step, we are going to create the controller contactors. It will generate the controller. Let's go to the controller where the location is app http controllers. Controller names contactors from.php. Okay, so let's add the code. So here we have first we have the function create form that will return the simple view contact. After that, there is a function contactors form to store the data. We are validating the request, name, email, phone, subject, or message that all fields are required. This is the server side validation. After that, we are going to create store the data. There is a function contact.create request all. This is the request, whatever the request we have, all, and just create the form and return back with a success message. We have thank you for this. We have received this message. Let's move to the routes. We are going to create the routes now. So where the routes will go. In previous video, I already showed the structure. So brief routes. We are going to move to the web. Here we need to define the routes. Contact create form on contact create form we are using and store form. Okay, and here we need to define the HTTPS. So let's use this controller. Now go to the view contact.create.php view add this CSS or you want to add this CSS, then okay. Let's move to the resources and views. Resources views activate.php. So here we are going to add the HTML form that we have. Form, and we are going to replace the form with the error form because we need to validations part also. So let's remove this form. This is the default functionality of the Laravel. If error has subject div class error, error first. So this is how we can write in Laravel. Error has subject error, otherwise blank subject subject. Then it will show the error in this field. Okay. So this is contractor state. Now we are going to move to the resources views mail.play.php sources views open terminal. So mail.play is already created. So let's paste our code. It's ready. Now we need to go and configure the app.io. So it's our module. There is env file, there is env file, and by default there is a mail host port username password inscription from address. So you can use our mail host port, mail username, password, and mail encryption. Which mail from address, mail from address. We can use this. We have already mail configuration. So mailer SMTP host, mail host, which mail host we are using in the port. Let's go to the mail trap. So we are going to go to the mail trap. So let's create a mail trap, or you can use. I guess I have the SMTP. Let's check. Let's create the mail trap. So we have created the main tab SMTP setting. This is called show credentials. So we are using SMTP main tab profile, SMTP host should be main tab profile, and we have port 465, 65, username, password we want to this one, encryption, non TLS option, option yes, from address. So the settings we have done, save the settings. Okay, so next step, the main part is done. So let's rewind the controller and create the sending mail function. Mail send. Just add the send mail function to the one app. To the app HTTP controllers factors. We will add the mail after this. So we will create a send mail function. Message to be this part is done now. Then we are going to run the PHP artisan mail on. We have created this. Go to the app, mail, contact.php. So the mail function is ready with that. Okay. So now let's run the command php artisan serve. It's run default in the previous we have checked. Let's move to the browser. Please. What is the route for front end? Let's check. Go to these web routes. Web. We have the contact get. Let's run that. Show the form first. So contact form is there. Let's submit. Your name is required, email is required, phone is required, this is all required. Okay. So let's put phone check message format. Unknown column name in the field is insert in the contact's name in reference to repeated values. This. Column not found. Name. It suggests that the name column is not there. Let's check. Name column is not there. Let's check the PHP file. Elements. Where is contacts? Why it's not that ID created updated? Strange. is migration database migrations. I think it should run. Export. Let's run the name. Go to the migrations. Delete this migration contact. And let's run the migration. HPRTs. Which folder is storage? Let's edit it. Okay, with contact table we have a document connections table. Okay, so now go to this migration table. Three like that. All data is coming. So let's now go back and submit the data. We would like to message to thank you for writing this. Done. Let's go to this part. The session is coming. Let's go to the mail trap. This message is coming. See, here we got an SMS from users. This. So this is how we can generate the contactless form or simple HTML form you can render in it. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.